Hey, it's Anj. So welcome to a new video. Today I'm trying some different. I'm gonna be change my content little bit. I'm changing my language. I usually make videos in Hindi language, but now I will making some videos in English language also. So today's video, some amazing facts about kingdom classification. So let's go. If you didn't subscribe me till now, so make sure that you are subscribed. 97% of my viewers, they watch my videos but they do not subscribe my channel. So make sure that you are not the ones of 97, you are the ones of 3%. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. In this English series, I will not show my face. No, I'm not shy to show my face. So let's leave these stupid things and start our video name titled the Some Amazing Facts About Kingdom Classification. So let's get. Number one fact is, who proposed 5 kingdoms of classification? The answer is Robert H. Whittaker, an American taxonomist. In 1969, has proposed 5 new kingdoms of classification. Fact number 2. So do you know who gave the binomial nomenclature? Linus gave the binomial nomenclature. Fact number 3. So do you know where the homoscale is found? And the answer is Arthropoda and Echinodermata. Fact number 4. So do you know animals living on trees are called? The answer is arboreal. Fact number 6. The phylum in which animals have soft bodies covered in hard shell is, and the answer is mollusca. Fact number 7. So do you know which animals are warm-blooded? Answer is rats, and humans are the most warm-blooded animal. Fact number 8. So do you know which one is the egg-laying mammal? The answer is platypus. Fact number 9. Do you know how fungi are characterized by? And the answer is mycelium and hyphae, and glycogen as food reserve, and chitin containing wall. Fact number 10. Do you know in which forelimbs are modified to wings? And the answer is bird. So this video is sponsored by Silk Boutique. If you want designer clothes, Indo-Western clothes, Punjabi suits, lehengas, so there's none other choice than Silk Boutique. Contact details are in description. Make sure to check out. Fact number 11. Do you know about amphibia? The amphibians are cold-blooded living organisms. Fact number 12. Do you know about lichens? The answer is it is an example of symbiotic relationship. The fact number 13 is, do you know about blue-green algae? And the answer is blue-green algae is an example of cyanobacteria. Fact number 14. Do you know about platyhelminthes? And the answer is platyhelminthes is an area and liver fluke. Fact number 15 is, say something about fungus. And the answer is chitin. Fact number 16. Do you know one character of mammal? The answer is presence of hairs. Fact number 17. Can you tell me one name of protozoa? And the answer is Paramecium. Fact number 18. Do you know about phylum Echinodermata? The answer is very simple, starfish. Fact number 18. Do you know which animals spend their lives fixed to a substratum? The answer is Porifera or sedentary. Fact number 19. Do you know formation of a cyst by secreting a hard-resistant covering is? And the answer is encystment, and its example is amoeba. Fact number 20. Do you know animals that live in seawater? And the answer is marine animal. Fact number 21. Do you know what we call wide opening in sponges for passing out water? And the answer is osculum. Fact number 22. A true internal body cavity in which well-developed organs can be accommodated. And the answer is यूकोडॉन। तो यही थी आज की वीडियो। अगर आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो मेरे चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा। अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक इंस्टा, फेसबुक और ट्विटर फॉलो नहीं किया तो जाके करो यार, लिंक्स इन अबाउट सेक्शन। तो बाकी मैं मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।